Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials, an iPhone that supports the true depth camera and iOS 13 or later. Once ready, open Messages, pick any thread, and tap the Animoji/Memoji icon to jump straight into creation. Tap the plus new Memoji button and choose skin tone, freckles, and face shape first because those set the foundation. Make sure to use the front camera so facial tracking works. As you change each option, you'll see immediate feedback. This helps you iterate quickly and lock in a look you like. Now refine the details. Tune hairstyle, eye shape, and facial proportions to improve likeness. Small adjustments matter. Once done, add glasses, hats, or piercings. These are quick personality shortcuts that make your Memoji feel unique. Use color sliders and pattern choices for clothing and lips. They're why your avatar reads correctly at a glance. Test expressions by moving your face, smile, raise eyebrows, speak, and make sure tracking stays consistent. When satisfied, save and enable the Memoji. Finish by using your Memoji across apps. Pick it as a sticker in Messages, apply it in FaceTime as a live camera effect, or record a short Animoji video to save and share. You can also assign the Memoji as your contact photo so it appears for callers. If something goes wrong, like poor tracking or no Animoji icon, make sure Face ID is configured, the front camera isn't blocked, and your iOS is up to date. If issues persist, restart the iPhone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.